Hey, what's up guys? Today, we're discussing how to clear derogatory marks off your credit in just 5 minutes. This video is for educational purposes only. We're here to show you how people are doing this quickly and effectively. Follow along, and let's get started. For additional resources or questions, join our YouTube channel for updates and detailed guides. What do you need to clear credit? To begin, you'll need a Credit Karma account for this method. Create your account, go through the prompts, and log in. Once logged in, follow these steps. Navigate to Credit, click on the credit icon at the bottom of the page. Find derogatory accounts, look for accounts that need attention, such as those with derogatory marks or incorrect information. Start the dispute, select the account and proceed to dispute it in just a few taps. For additional resources or questions, join our YouTube channel for updates and detailed guides. Steps to dispute an account. Click on the derogatory account, for example, Attent Mobility under Opne Collections. Scroll up the screen and select Dispute in a few taps. Choose accuracy as the reason for the dispute, avoid selecting ownership. State that this account is in litigation. Use the dispute verbiage provided below to enter your claim. For additional resources or questions, join our YouTube channel for updates and detailed guides. Dispute verbiage. After accepting the terms and conditions, type this information into the dispute box. This account is currently in litigation, and I request its removal from my credit report until the matter is resolved. Submit this information and accept the terms and conditions. You will receive a response shortly. For additional resources or questions, join our YouTube channel for updates and detailed guides. Important notes. Success rate: this method works about 90% of the time. Keep in mind, results can be temporary as the alleged debtor may reinstate the item after further review. If this happens, simply repeat the process to remove it again. Based on experience, items removed a second time typically do not return. Temporary fix: while some call this a quick fix, many items have been permanently removed using this method. It's an effective strategy for time-sensitive needs, such as securing approval for an apartment or a car loan. For additional resources or questions, join our YouTube channel for updates and detailed guides. Final thoughts. This method is tried and tested. If you're facing urgent credit-related challenges, it's worth attempting. Copy the dispute verbiage and begin removing those negative items today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. For additional resources or questions, join our YouTube channel for updates and detailed guides.